Alright guys, welcome back into the channel. We are at the Cove Barn. It is in Duncannon, where I live. It's kind of down the road a little bit. And waiting to get a spot inside of this building so that I can put things in there that I don't want to put online or that I don't have time to put online. But anyway, we're going to go in. Alright guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. This is a channel for resellers only, and for people that kind of want to buy things and turn that off, that like to buy things at low values and, you know, to flip them online for profit. That's the kind of thing that I do. I buy things from like yard sales, estate sales, thrift stores, anywhere I can buy something at a, you know, at a low value, like $1, and resell it online for $20, $30, maybe even $100. Just depends on the item being at the right place at the right time. So please smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell down there in the corner to get notified when I post new content. So we're going to go in here. I'm going to talk to them and ask them, you know, what's going on. Am I going to have a spot this month? Because I've been waiting a month already, and I know there's a long list to get in this building. They just redid it, so we're going to find out. Alright guys, so it took a little bit longer than I thought. We are officially a booth owner in there. I got a shelf because they don't have a booth available. I have to wait for that to happen, and I think we're just going to go hit up some thrift stores. My hat is really crooked, and yeah, so we'll see how it goes. I'll have to come in tomorrow and start putting things up. I got some tags from them. I'm going to probably try to find more, get some more tags, but there's 100 in here. I don't think I'm going to need that many. I might even be able to cut these in half and just tape them on somehow, but it has to be easier for them to remove them. They have a system. I can't remember what the system is called, but it goes through your email and it tells you when you sold things, so I could cross-list if I wanted to, and I would get an email immediately as soon as an item sells, so I know to take it down. So yeah, I think we're going to do a little bit of thrifting, and then, you know, we'll see what happens. Alright guys, so we went and got something to eat, grabbed some Mickey D's real quick. Not the best meal in the world, but we are at the Goodwill, so let's go in and find some good crap to sell online. Well, it's not really crap, but you know what I mean. I really like this Carhartt, but it looks kind of small. It's a large, relaxed fit, but it's $11. If it was half off, I would get it. Like, that's what I mean. Like, the prices are just skyrocketed in here. I'm gonna grab this Joseph A. Bank. This is Pima cotton. It's got a $40 price tag, but it's $5. I think I could probably get about 25 or 30 for that. It's gonna start getting cold out soon, so those are the type of items that you want to look for now. Check this out, guys. The brand is called Old School. It's an old football helmet. Looked like pleather. There's a little football guy there. It's not really worth much. We're going to leave it, but we did find this was here last time I was here. I'm going to make sure it doesn't have any stains on it. It's in like perfect condition. It's a Jack Nicklaus, not to be confused with the actor, but the Bear. He's a golf player. I think this is definitely vintage. It's single stitch. Alright guys, so nothing in the men's clothing section, but I did find this Transformer. He sells for about $30. I can't remember his name. I think it's Revenge of the Fallen. And then check this. There's bags of cars, and if I can show you, there's a GoBot in here. I was looking at it, and I was like, hold on a minute there, buddy. That can't seem to locate it now, but it's definitely in this bag. Actually, I can open the bag. There it is, Crasher. Excuse me. This is a GoBot. I'm almost certain, or it's a really old Transformer. I think it might be a GoBot. I'm gonna grab it. There's also another bag. Oops, there's another big bag, and maybe there's another GoBot in this one. These are $5. I guess this one's $7. So I'm gonna have to really really look at that one to make sure that that one is worth picking up. All right, so I think I'm gonna pick this one up too. There's Cars and there's Cars Planes, like the Pixar movie. They're in there. You guys can see there's one plane there. There's a couple. There's two right there, 2 or 3. And then there's another one, the City Police. Yeah, there's a bunch in there, so I'm definitely gonna grab both of these bags. I'm gonna look that GoBot up. That GoBot may pay for both these bags. All right, guys, so that GoBot in general sells really well. There's like 40 listed and over 100 sold. It sells for about, in really good condition, like I think the last one was $26. I'll put a screenshot up right there, but I'm definitely gonna grab both of these bags because the potential value is definitely there. I'm just gonna have to go through them and dig them up, but for, you know, not even 15 bucks for both bags, it's definitely worth it. All right, guys, so it's probably not worth much, but it definitely deserves to be looked at because this is a picture of Jim Morrison. It's the iconic picture of him. They want $20 for it. I'm not gonna buy it. If it was like 5 or 6, I'd probably buy it just to like put it in my shop or do something like that because I obviously am a Doors fan. But yeah, I just thought it was really cool. I thought you guys would want to take a look at Jim Morrison. Died too young. All right, so this is a prime example of media is dead, guys. It's really a dying thing. This Paul Simon, there's only one sold. I think it's sold in like Canada for like $26. The price on it is $7. It is brand new, sealed, but like I said, this media is really starting to die. I better get rid of all of my DVDs and things like that. Like sometimes some of them have some value, but a lot of these are worthless. All right, guys, I would like to pick up these Birks, but they want $15 for them. If they were in better condition and they were a better style, the problem is that there's only one pair of these listed for like $55. I'm thinking that they would probably only sell for $30, so 15 into 30. I don't want to spend $15 to make 30. I think it's just too much. They would probably sell fast. All right, so here's a pair of Doc Martens. They want 10 for them, but they're the Woolrich T-bar or whatever. They're like a slip-on. They're not really a desirable Doc Marten, so I'm probably just gonna leave them. They're a little dirty, but it's not something that I can't clean up. They were worn a little bit, not too much, but yeah, I'm gonna leave them for $10 because there's none of them sold. All right, so that's that for the Goodwill. We are gonna get out of here. There was a pair of Timberlands behind the counter, and you're never gonna guess how much they wanted for these Timberlands. They were a size 11, which is a little bit, my experience buying my size in Timberland means that they're gonna be big because they run big, guys. So if you buy Timbs, make sure that you have a chance to try them on. All right, guys, we're running a little bit strapped for time. I still have to ship a few items. It's already 1:30. The post office closes at 4:30. So yeah, another bad example from a good reseller, just, you know, not shipping my items on time. So let's go in and see what we can find. All right, guys, so that's it, I think, for the video. I'm picking these up. I believe they're called Vasque or Vask boots. They're Gore-Tex. They were pretty cheap. They were only $7, so I was like, I gotta grab them. So I grabbed those up, and then I grabbed a couple sport coats and just an Adidas shirt for my son, and that was it. Not much in there, and we have some things that we need to do, so we're gonna have to skedaddle on out of here. Let me try not to turn that. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's all I have. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See me find some decent things. I didn't really get to record too much in there, but I just wanted to put another video out. I just want to keep putting videos out and show you guys what I'm picking up throughout the end of the summer slowdown. I can't wait for fourth quarter. I could definitely use the boost in income. Right now I need it because my one son's going back to school and I got to buy him summer clothes. My other ones, they're going to get jobs and buy their own stuff. So thanks for watching. Please hit the thumbs up button. Smash the smash the like button, and please subscribe to the channel, guys. It really helps me out, and it helps you out because I can just continue to make these videos if you guys are watching them, and hit the notification bell as well to get notified when I post new content. And that's it. That's all I got. Get the hell out of here.